Let's look at the following problem. You've just put $9,000 into your bank account. It will stay there and earn a 7% interest every year. It's just the right amount of money for 5 future money withdrawals to pay for your tuition. $2,300 in year 1, $1,500 in year 2, some unknown dollar amount in 3 years, $1,840 in 4 years, and $2,940 in 5 years. Find the missing cash flow. Let's start with the timeline. Let's mark the dollar amounts that we know. Year 0, which is today, then we have 1 year from today, 2 years in the future, 3 years, 4 years, and 5 years. Under year 1 we can put 2,300. Under year 2 we put 1,500. Then this is our unknown amount of money under year 3. Under year 4, 1,840, and then 2,940 under year 5. So what is $9,000? That's what you put in your bank account today. You've just put it in your bank account. In other words, this is $9,000 is the present value of the 4 known cash flows in years 1, 2, 4, and 5. How would we find the missing cash flow? Well, can we first find the present value of the 4 cash flows that we do know? For that, we would need to discount this back by 1 year, 2,300. Then we need to discount 1,500 back by 2 years, 1,840 discounted back by 4 years, and the last money withdrawal in year 5, $2,940, would need to be discounted back by 5 years. If we add up the 4 resulting individual present values, we will find their combined present value. So we can do that as step number 1. How would we do it all in one step in the financial calculator rather than finding 4 individual present values and then finding their sum? Let's bring up the financial calculator. Turn it on. We are going to use what we call the cash flow keys. Press the cash flow button, CF, in the second row. The display shows cash flow in year 0 is $0. This is true in our problem because we have nothing that would need to be withdrawn right away. So you want to save it as $0. Press enter and then the down arrow key. The display shows CO1 equals $0. We want to change it to $2,300 because CO1 means the first cash flow in the future. You press 2,300, enter, down. FO1 equals 1. F means frequency of the first cash flow in the future, which is $2,300. What is its frequency? It means how many times do we have it consecutively? Only once, so we leave the frequency at 1. You press the down arrow key again. Then you enter cash flow number 2 in the future, which is 1,500. 1,500, enter, down, and we again keep its frequency at 1 because we only have $1,500 once in a row. Press the down arrow key. Then we need to enter the third cash flow in the future, but this is exactly what we do not know. What do we do here? How would we skip it and then enter the remaining 2 cash flows? Well, how about we press 0 as if it's nothing? So you press enter because we already see 0 on the display. Press enter, then the down arrow key. Frequency is 1. Press the down arrow key again and then input the remaining $2 amounts for years 4 and 5. 1,840, enter, down, down. 2,940, enter, down, down. We are done. Now press NPV, change the interest rate to 7% per year, 7, enter, down, and then press compute. We get, so in other words, this was the present value of the 4 known cash flows, and that was equal to $6,959.60. Then what do we do as our step number 2? We just found the present value of the 4 known cash flows. $9,000, which was given, is the present value of all 5 cash flows in the future. So how about we find the difference? 9,000 minus $6,959.60, which gives us $2,040.74. What does it mean? It's the present value of the missing cash flow, of the question mark on our timeline, right? It's the present value of it. This is not our answer yet. It's the present value in today's dollars. It's right here, under here 0 on the timeline, which means we need one more step to finish this problem. What do? We find the future value of $2,040.74 in 3 years, and that will be the answer. Let's again bring up the financial calculator. Let us clear everything by pressing second, reset the plus minus key, enter. $2,040.74, set it to a negative value, press the PV button, the present value. We want to change, we want to set our number of years to be equal to 3, so I press 3N. The interest rate that the money earns every year in the bank account is 7%, which was given, so I press 7IY and compute future value, and I get basically $2,500. $2,500. This is my missing cash flow, $2,500.